Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about shortcode. So what is shortcode? Shortcode is basically a simple way to show some information in your WordPress theme. Shortcode is very important because the end user who will basically use your theme, he won't have the knowledge of programming or HTML, CSS or JavaScript. So he will need a simple way if he wants to show something. So suppose your user wants to show a text. I'm just showing this because this is a very basic demonstration. I'm going to show you guys how someone can show a simple text with shortcode. In the future, we will move on to much advanced stuff. But first, you have to learn the basics. So let's go to all post, and here let's just choose this one, hello world, because why not, right? So yeah, so the way you write shortcode, you give it a name with in these things. uh, so I'm just giving the name text, and you have to end it like this. So this is very self-explanatory, and between these two we will have our content. So let's just say this is from shortcode. So this is just to keep it simple and just to keep it short. So we will need this one, this text. I'm going to copy this one and go to functions.php. And here we have to make our own shortcode. So in order to make our own shortcode, we have to write add shortcode. So you can see it is already hinting me that, oh, do you want add shortcode? So yeah, I do. So I'm going to click on this, and here you can see there are two parameters. The first one is the name that I just copied, and the second one is the callback function. So I'm just going to paste the name here. Sorry for that. So I'm just gonna paste the name here. The name is text. This was very small. I don't know why I copied this one. I can just simply wrote it here. So, and the second one is the function name. So I can just say first short code. So this is as simple as it can be. And let's not forget the semicolon. So just writing function and the first shortcode, and here it will take two parameters. The first one is attributes, and the second one is the default content that you will provide. So currently we don't have any attributes, I only have the content. In order you don't understand, the content is this is from shortcode. This line is the content, so you can name it anything else as well. So the first one is attributes, so I'm gonna write atts, and the second one is content, so I'm going to write content text. So yeah, now what I have to do, I have to return something. So what do I have to return? I have to return anything that is written here. So for that I have to write it like this: return, not return, no, return. Okay, and then I have to write a printf. Then here I'm going to write %s, and the value of %s will be this line of code, dollar context text. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it over here, and we are basically done. So yeah, this is as simple as it is. So what we did, we added a shortcode. This is how we can add. First we have to write add shortcode, then the name of the shortcode, we have the same that is here, so text, and this is the function name. So we also wrote the function, and it's taking two parameters, attributes and the content, and we are just returning the content. So we are just returning as a printf, and here is %s, and this will eventually get whatever written here. So I'm going to update this one, and let's hope for the best that our code works. So I have updated the post, our very simple post, and I'm going to go to our site, our very simple minimal WordPress website, And here you can see this is from shortcode. Voila. So yeah, our code did work, and this is the very first shortcode. This is very simple. This is basically nothing. This is absolutely basic stuff that anyone can do, but this is the basic stuff that you need to know in order to make big stuff. So yeah, so this is how shortcode works, and yeah, that's basically it. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.